Why did Miss Muffet need a road map? Similar to direct variation is inverse variation. So, excuse me, with direct variation, so this topic is inverse variation. Okay, and me, fourth alpha, 12. All right, so direct variation.
She put D.
I did.
No, come class.
Please. Looks like y equals kx. We already talked about that. The thing about inverse variation is, what would you think? If direct is, excuse me, if direct variation is y equals, what would inverse be?
X equals.
X equals, that's all it is. So if we want to have x equals, how would we calculate that here? So we've got y equals kx, and our goal is to have I'm not doing well here. Y equals kx, and our goal is to have x equal to something. Okay, so how do we get x by itself? Divide by
K.
K. Because now k is a big one. And so we'll wind up with x equals y over k. And in fact, our inverse variation formula is, guess what? Y equals, or excuse me, x equals y over k. That's the big secret. That's inverse variation. Instead of y equals kx, it's x equals y over k. So, in letter O, which is that first problem there, y varies inversely as x. Excuse me, if you're going to talk, please go outside. You're being rude. Y varies inversely as x, and y is 25 when x is 3. Okay, so I need to find k. How am I going to do that? Okay, we replace the x and y. How do I get k where we need it?
You multiply and divide.
Okay, so we can,
What number is this?
this is the first one, O. And I want k by itself on one side. So what am I going to do? Well, there's a couple different ways you can do it, but I don't want k in a denominator. So what I can do is multiply both sides by k, right? Now I have 25 equals 3k. By both sides by 3, and I just did it wrong. 3 equals 25 thirds, and I did it completely wrong. What happened?
I'm confused.
So am I.
What is that?
This is what it's supposed to be. 3 equals, it's supposed to be y on the bottom.